So what are you waiting for?
Huh?
What are you waiting for?
When the piglets come out, I'm very excited.
You waiting for little piglets?
Tick tock, 6 o'clock, there's that old alarm again. Stand up, eyes shut, wishing I was sleeping in. Don't know how I do it, but somehow I do it every day, just the same.
Okay, this morning I went to drop off my daughter and I saw a piglet. So our pumpkin had her little piglets today. So this is my girl Pumpkin, and she just had her piglets. Right, Mama? He has a little white paw just... Hiya, baby. She has 6 little piglets. What are you doing? This is her first litter and she did amazing. 6 little cute piglets. He was the last one. He still has an umbilical cord. Or she. I'm gonna go get some things to keep them warm. She did a good job. I believe this one is not doing too good. She's not latching on. I'm gonna see if I could go buy some milk and help her. She's the runt.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 18th. Pumpkin had her piglets this morning. We thought at first that it was a litter of 6. Apparently she had 7. She had 1 out in the field, and by the time we found it, it was gone already. Gotta get you some extra food. Hope you little guys are getting milk.
Hungry, but she's not latching on to the food.
Alright, everyone. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon with a little piglet update. So Oreo's a little pissed off over there because we had to separate him because he was spending more time in the farrowing huts than our gilts over here. And hey, princess. So we got 4 little piglets left in here. There's 1, the runt is in the house.
Her name is Zoey, and she got abandoned by the mama. She got abandoned from the mama pig.
Yeah. She wasn't really abandoned. She was just too weak to drink from her mommy. So
we gotta get her milk from Tractor Supply.
Yeah, we got him the colostrum milk from Tractor Supply, so that way for the next 4 days it can gain its strength, and then we'll bring her back here with
There's so
with her
much
mama.
wasps. Because they're cleaning the pigs and killing the flies.
Yep. There's a lot of flies out here, so we got to do something
Yeah,
as far as getting more of those fly traps.
Yeah, we should maybe get more of the fly tape.
Mm-hmm.
And like hang it over there.
Yep. Now, Honey was in here before making a little room on the sides, so...
I think she's gonna get ready maybe tomorrow or in the next few days.
I know. I think it's going to be tonight or tomorrow. We should expect Honey's piglets to come out, and hopefully we don't lose any, because it was quite a shock to see one piglet out here dead this morning, and then the other one got stepped on.
Look at that milky face.
Let me try. She has... Is she still hungry? No, I think she has... she's...
It's about 10 o'clock at night. Wednesday, September 18th. Pumpkin had her piglets this morning, and Honey is in the process of having her piglets now. See?
There goes another one.
Oh.
Oh, oh. Yep.
Oh, he's out.
That's number 2.
What was that, like 10 minutes between each one?
And that came out foot first instead of head first.
Probably didn't want to come out. Probably say, yo, it's cold out there.
Couldn't wait until morning, huh?
Nope. So that's piglet number 4 and number 3 behind him. So far, so good.
And she's sleeping over there with her babies.
Morning, guys. What's up, Oreo? Ladies, how are you?
Compared to Zoey.
Oh, tired little piglets. Hello, little piglets. Piglets are 3 days old today. And they are all doing good.
Yeah.
So the runt's inside. The mom kind of pushed it away. Doesn't want to let it feed, so we're bottle feeding it for now. We're going to try again soon. And the other 11? Yeah. The other 11 are out here. Nursing pretty good. And growing little by little. These look all tired out over
These
here.
are a little, couple of hours younger.
It was like half a day younger, right?
Yeah.
Because one was in the morning and these were at night.
Night.
We gotta do something about the flies.
I could bring them all in with me.
No.
I love the sun.
Good mama. Hey, Mama. You getting jealous, buddy? I'll rub you too. Come here. And the piglets are on the move.
Hey, little piglet.
Fast little things. You did good, Mama. Little tired group in here.